Good morning guys. Ito ang third floor ng yard guys. Third floor ng yard. Yan. Ito ang third floor ng yard fitness gym guys. Oh, complete, may shower, tanan. May massage room. Yan guys, massage room kung after mo ng ng gym, pwede ka pa-massage. Yan. Third floor ito guys, third floor. Third floor ng Yard Fitness Gym. Yan guys, ang third floor guys. So, Sunday ito guys, Sunday. Kasi kung Sunday sa umaga, hindi maraming tao. Pero pag hapon na guys, hanggang gabi, ang dami ng tao guys. Ito. Third floor to guys ha. Kasi ground floor, second floor, third floor, hasta may fourth floor pa guys. Good morning guys. Yan. Yan guys yung mga equipment sa third floor ito guys. Sa third floor ng Yard Fitness Gym. Yeah, guys. Oh. Aircon lahat to guys. Pag maraming tao, aircon. Kahit walang tao na pinapaandar ng aircon kasi solar to guys eh. Solar to eh. Walang problema sa aircon. Mamaya guys, ang dami na tong tao mamaya. Sa third floor to guys ha, third floor ng Yard Fitness Gym ha. Yan guys, oh, yung massage yung massage na sa yun yung mamassage guys. Massage room guys. Sa third floor ito guys ha, sa third floor ng Yard Fitness. Yan guys. Yan guys, so yung solar, yung may ito no, martial art. Yan guys, so na martial art. Yan. Yan guys, yung Mercedes-Benz guys. At saka may mga Mustang pa rito guys, mga GT 5.0 na Ford Mustang. Wala pa, mamaya darating na yan. Mga reds dito guys, yung mga guys, naka-gym. Kasi puro subdivision ito guys sa Balabag Pabiya guys, maraming subdivision. Yan ang bahay ng may-ari guys, oh. Ng yard. Oh. Yan guys, oh. So guys, punta-punta lang ako rito guys. Yan na guys. Nakita nyo na guys.